Greetings to everyone. This video is going to be an introduction on how you can get started with or install Orangu. Orangu is an open source terminal client that we are building at Nemosign Systems that actually allows you to work on your code base by using LLMs that are running locally on your computer. So basically, your privacy, your entire code, your logic is never leaving your computer, which happens in a lot of AI coding assistants that people use these days, like Claude Code and Cursor. So basically, all of your code is getting uploaded to the cloud, and then these LLMs are fetching results from over there. Orangu is different. It uses the LLMs that are running locally on your computer and allows you to work on your code base. So yeah, without a further ado, let's get started on how you can install and start working on Orangu.
You start with visiting the website of Oran. Actually, the link you see here is of a file on my computer. I will attach the official link to the website below. You should then navigate to the install page. This page has all the commands to get Orangu up and running. There is one liner quick install, which allows you to get the latest release binary. But I like to proceed with the traditional way. You start with first installing the Rust dependencies, since Orangu requires Cargo and Rust. When you open your folder on the VS Code, I would suggest you to switch to WSL, which is a feature that allows developers to run full Linux environment directly on Windows. I already have that installed, but the WSL // install command would be enough if you don't. Once you command WSL, the subsystem opens up itself. Installing DNF then is also another requirement for which you can follow the command as shown. Once everything is up and running and all the dependencies are installed, you command to clone and build as shown. Now this might take some time, but then you follow what is mentioned on the website. Further copy and paste the basic commands to get your local LLM running. Following the right next command would get your Orangu started. You can try your first commands over here. /help lists all the commands properly. You can easily exit the terminal as well. Actually, we didn't have our model running earlier. ./target/releases/Orangu command now would get everything running green. Thank you. You can now enjoy playing around with Orangu. The documentation on the website has everything you need.